Most e-commerce stores waste thousands on website redesigns that actually decrease their revenue by X%. Why? Because they are optimizing for the wrong thing. In this video, I'll show you the difference between making your website pretty, making it usable, and making it profitable, and why two of these are a waste of time if you skip the third. This is for e-commerce founders and marketing managers who are frustrated and pissed off because their websites are looking great, but their conversion rates are stuck at 1.5% or so. Right now, we are experiencing an all-time high into the ad costs. The ROS is not what it used to be. Your website is either making you money or losing money. There is no middle ground. I am Valentin Radu. I'm founder at OmniConvert. We are helping thousands of e-commerce stores run A/B testing and increase their conversion rate. I can tell you, the stores that grow are not the prettiest. They are the ones who understand what I'm about to show you. When your revenue is flat, everyone has an opinion about what you should be fixing. But let me tell you my opinion about the three approaches and why most companies are getting this completely wrong. The first approach, make it look more sexy or prettier. This is when your CEO sees a competitor's website or hires a design agency that promises a modern refresh. It looks amazing in the presentation, the board loves it, everyone is excited, then you launch it and the revenue goes down. Why this happens? Design agencies design for other designers, not for your customers. They optimize for awards and portfolio pieces, not for your revenue. They change everything at once, 17 different elements, and when it fails, you have no idea why this change has killed your conversion rate. Maybe some of the elements improve the conversion rate and some of them decrease the conversion rate. And overall, there is a decrease. And that's why you need to do A/B testing. Approach number 2, fix the user experience. This is better than pure aesthetics, but here's what most people get wrong. UX is hygiene, is not optimization. Good UX means your website doesn't have bugs, navigation makes sense, mobile experience doesn't break, pages are loading fast, and forms are simple. All of this is mandatory, is necessary. You must fix broken experiences, but fixing user experience doesn't automatically increase the revenue. It just stops you from losing revenue. Think of it like this. If your store has a broken door, you fix it. That doesn't mean more people will buy. It just means they can enter through that door. UX is the broken door. CRO is what gets them to actually purchase. Approach number 3, run CRO, conversion rate optimization. This is the only approach that actually connects design decisions to revenue results. But here's the problem. Most companies think they are doing CRO when they are actually just guessing with extra steps. Real CRO isn't about testing button colors, testing different elements. It's about systematic experimentation based on customer research, what the customers or users say, and behavioral science, looking at what they actually do. And even that's not enough anymore, but I'll show you what it is in a minute. Here's the truth about what actually increases the e-commerce revenue. It's a hierarchy, and most stores are focused on the wrong level. Level 1, fix the hygiene, UX foundation. Before you optimize anything, you must have basic UX hygiene in place. If the site is not loading fast enough, if the mobile experience is broken, the checkout flow has no errors, and the navigation is logical, and the product pages are showing the basics, price, shipping, and return. You can find all of those things with our CRO benchmark. You simply put in your website, put in your URLs, and there you go. You get all of this in less than 15 minutes. Do this first. On top of it, you can do heat maps and session recordings to find where the users are getting stuck. You need to fix those bugs instantly. But once your hygiene is good, you should stop perfecting the UX. Level 2 is test with purpose. Strategic CRO. Real CRO is not about testing random ideas. It's about using scientific method to reduce the risk and increase the learning velocity, because sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. Here's how strategic CRO works. Step 1 is to find the real problem. Don't guess. You need to use exit intent surveys, customer research, user interviews, read support tickets, analyze session recordings, look at the Google Analytics. These are coming from actual customer data, not from creative brainstorms. Step 2, test high impact changes. Forget the button colors. Test things that actually move the needle. Value proposition clarity in headlines, social proof placements, risk reversal, guarantees, free returns, order structure, pricing, bundling, you name it. And step 3 is use behavioral science. Every test should target a specific cognitive bias or behavioral principle. Are you reducing friction? Are you increasing the trust? Are you amplifying the motivation? Are you creating urgency? If you don't know why you are testing something, you're just gambling. And step 4, measure with discipline. Run tests for at least 2 to 4 per month. Wait for statistical significance. Don't pick early. Document the learnings when tests are losing. The results? Good CRO teams can increase the conversion rate by 20 to 50% over 6 to 12 months. But then they hit a plateau. This is level 3. Optimize for customer lifetime value. Here's where 95% of the e-commerce stores are stopping, and it's costing them millions, especially if they have a high purchase frequency, if they should be relying on the customer retention. The problem with the conversion rate is that it's still some sort of a vanity metric. You can increase artificially the conversion rate by dropping the prices, but you'll also go bankrupt. What actually matters is customer lifetime value, what you're getting throughout the entire lifespan from a customer in terms of profit. The difference between a struggling store and a profitable store is how many customers come back for a second, third, and fourth purchase and recommend that website to their peers. So this is customer value optimization. This is beyond making the website pretty, fixing the UX, or running conversion rate optimization. It's about analyzing the patterns once customers have bought. You get from one-time buyers to toxic customers which have a high return rate, low value, and you get to segment them through RFM, and then understanding who the best customers are allows you to increase the whole customer journey. So then you get to a position to measure the revenue per visitor and to run experiments instead of just the website, but to all the steps, to all the small milestones throughout the customer journey. The math behind customer value optimization. Store A, 3% conversion rate, $50 AOV, 1.5 revenue per visitor. Store B, 2% conversion rate, $100 AOV, and $2 revenue per visitor. Store B makes 33% more money despite lower conversion rate. This is why conversion rate alone is misleading. Here's an example from O'Donnell, Moonshine, and OmniConvert. So they have been using our software and our team to help them increase the conversion rate by 49%. So they are selling spirits, as you can see, right? So this is their amazing website. They've been founded back in 2016, whatever. So I'm gonna spare you with the details. Their challenge was around their product detail page, and I'm gonna move this here, so that you understand what we have been doing. As you can see here, the product detail page was designed to combine storytelling with sales impact. The problem with them is that their CTA was buried here and appeared only after scrolling past the image gallery, reducing the CTA's visibility. So what we have been doing with them, we've moved this element here, the product's core messaging, beneath the price and shipping information, so that we ensure that the users are seeing the high impact details earlier in the browsing experience. And then we have been doing this impact in their case. So basically this layout, this winning layout, as you can see here, managed to increase the conversion rate by 49% and 6.67% increase in the revenue per user. These kinds of results can be yours as well. This is the difference between optimizing for conversion rate versus optimizing for customer value. One gets you marginal gains and the other transforms your business. Alright, so here's exactly what you should be doing next. Audit your current state. Is your UX hygiene handled? Use session recordings, run CRO benchmark, find out what kind of tests you should be running. Step 2. Analyze the voice of customer. Install an exit intent survey today. By the way, we have an offer. 50,000 users, you can run A/B test and survey for free. Grab your free account from this link. Then find out from your actual customers on the thank you base what almost stopped you from buying with us today. Step 3. Based on these insights, run tests and look over improving the entire customer journey. If you want to find more about customer lifetime value, I wrote an entire book about it. Get the CLV Revolution from Amazon. And step 4, start running experiments in a strategic manner. Don't just fall from fixing and tweaking your website. Get the big picture, run the math, and go ahead and experiment properly. These are the resources I'm giving to you. The free AI CRO audit, you go to crobenchmark.com, it shows you exactly when you're losing money. Fix your UX hygiene and the CRO hygiene in less than 15 minutes. OmniConvert Explore, use our A/B testing platform with 50,000 free tested users each month for lifetime. Grab your account from this link in description. And if you want to go deeper, read my book or go to our academy where we have a ton of insights for you. The bottom line, stop debating whether your site should be prettier or more user-friendly. Start running A/B testing, start measuring what actually moves the needle, and start building a business where customers come back, not just convert only once. So, what do you think? Is this useful to you? If the answer is yes, then subscribe and see you in the next play.